Model 2020 Peugeot Boxer 2.435 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L4H2 knocking engine. VAT included. Bargain body, white, panel. Van mileage 92,713 MOT. The 10th of June 2025. Engine 2,179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £10,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.